Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, Assalatu Wassalamu ala Khatimin Nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah Al-Aaraf, لأقطعن أيديكم وأرجلكم من خلاف ثم لأصلبنكم أجمعين. Translation: I will surely cut off your hands and feet on opposite sides, then I will crucify you all. In the previous ayah we studied that when the magicians believed in Musa alayhi salam and declared their iman on Rabbul Alameen, Pharaoh, who was claiming Arab himself, got very mad and upset. However, he played a quick trick and he put all the blame on the magicians and said that you all and Musa alayhi salam are partners and you lost in front of everyone by Musa as a trick so that you can control the city and you can get all the people of Egypt out from here and you make your own government here. He made this plan just to deceive all the people who were witnessing that Musa alayhi salam had the clear signs and these magicians could not defeat him. However, when magicians accepted Iman and declared their Iman on Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala made them awliya Allah and they had a very strong iman from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The Pharaoh thought that if these magicians bring iman on Musa alayhi salam and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, nobody will accept me as Rabb. So he tried to threaten the magicians by the most severe punishment he could give, and he told them that I will get your hands and feet cut from opposite sides and then I will crucify you. That was the most severe punishment anybody could get, and he threatened them with this punishment so that they can back off from their iman. But see how Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala strengthened their iman, and they said, as mentioned in the next ayah, قالوا إنا إلى ربنا منقلبون. Translation: they said, indeed we are about to return to our Rabb. In the next ayah, وَمَا تَنْقِمُ مِنَّا إِلَّا أَنْ آمَنَّا بِآيَاتِ رَبِّنَا لَمَّا جَاءَتْنَا رَبَّنَا أَفْرِغْ عَلَيْنَا صَبْرًا وَتَوَفَّنَا مُسْلِمِينَ. Translation: and you do not take revenge from us only because we believed in signs of our Rabb. When they came to us, our Rabb shower on us patience and make us to die as Muslims. The magicians had become the awliya of Allah by the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who gave them very strong iman in their hearts, and they said that with your threats we are not gonna back off, O Pharaoh. We are about to return to our Rabb. And they also asked him that why are you so upset with us? We only accepted the signs of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala when they came to us. We know that this is no magic. We know that this is no competition. We know that Musa alayhi salam is the prophet of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala who had given him the signs, and after seeing these signs we are not gonna call you the Rabb no matter what happens, no matter how severe punishment you give to us. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave them the iman, and they prayed to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that, oh Allah, shower on us the patience and make us to die as Muslims. And the only fear they had is that they may not lose their iman. Oh Allah, give us that kind of iman as well. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.